Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code VAL 29. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you just need to delete and reinstall Riot Vanguard and then tweak a few changes here, a few options. So first of all, you just need to go to control panel. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, programs and features. Then you need to look for Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. And after you do so, after you install it, then you just need to open up a Riot client. And then if we go on Valorant, it will be not play button here, but it will be update button. And what you need to do here on update button is simply update it, and your Riot Vanguard will be downloaded automatically. And then after you download it, you just need to go to services. Then you need to click on one of the tasks here and press V, and you should see VGC. Right click on it, go to properties, make sure startup type is automatic, and then if it stopped, make it to start and apply the changes. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. And then another command that you need to put is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to network and internet. Then you need to go to advanced network settings. And then here it will be network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to put any passwords. Internet will normally work. And after you reset internet, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to go to network and internet. Then you need to select advanced network settings. Then you need to look for your internet connection, expand this option, more in adapter options, press edit. Then make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled and double click on internet protocol version 4. Then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.